मैं तेनू कितना प्यार करदा. Do you know? This is so bad.
No.
Does that rage bait you, Nandini, that I can't sing nicely?
I mean, it does annoy me when people don't sing the right lyrics.
Does it annoy you?
It does. It does.
Someone is saying another stanza, you know, they are just singing the wrong bit of it. Like, बस एक सनम चाहिए जिंदगी के लिए, but it's आशिकी के लिए.
And my mom does this thing where she'll sing another song in lyrics in another tune, and I'm like, bro, some mix is happening.
Yeah.
This episode is about please. How can we be rage baited?
And it's so easy.
You want to start off with your first one?
No, you start.
Okay, this is it. When people do small talk. Hate it.
It bugs me so much. You know what I did once I started my job, and that maybe could be because I was so excited and this was new to me. So I basically like went to my team and I said like, guys, I like the sound of Slack notifications. I said that. I said, this is such a fun sound.
Are we friends?
It's not. It's so bad.
I mean, I hope your opinions have changed.
Oh my god, yeah.
Thank God you've changed. Otherwise, we'd have to rethink this friendship.
One thing that annoys me a lot, when you eat pulao, okay, and then it has khadi masale and it is elaichi and long. I don't want that when I'm eating and enjoying my pulao with curd. The rage I feel with it is so unexplainable. Like, बर्बाद हो गया मेरा मुंह, खराब हो गया मेरा खाना, and I would not want to eat it. I genuinely don't understand the use of tej patta. You know, I don't know what's bay leaves.
I haven't figured it out yet.
What are you there for? आपका जॉब क्या है? आपको पैसे क्यों मिल रहे हैं? आपको क्यों खाने में डाला जा रहा है? Just be there. You know.
Personal thing.
You're not good. You are that friend in a friend group when they're taking a trip who does not do shit. You're just there.
One thing, when you wake up in the morning on payday and then you see the notification of money hitting your bank account, but you see tax being cut. ले ही लेते ना भाई, क्यों? मतलब जीने के लिए भी कुछ रख लेते. तुम ही रख लो मेरे सारे पैसे. क्यों काम क्यों कर रही हूँ? तुम्हारे लिए कर रही हूँ. Tax pisses me off.
Like when I started, like first 2 months when you know I'm on payday, I would feel so happy. Oh my god, so much of money in my bank account. I'm gonna go shopping. I'm gonna do this and that. Literally last month, once I received my pay, I was just so sad about it. इतना पैसा tax.
You got me.
I was so annoyed. It was just
Horrible. Now you go.
And you're living with flatmates. Let's say you are in a flat of 5 or 6 people.
I'm so scared.
A flat of 5 to 6 people, right? And then you wake up this lovely Saturday or Sunday morning, and today is gonna be a nice day. I'm gonna have an ice cream. I'm gonna go to the library, right? You walk into the kitchen, and you see your kitchen slab, and then it's the most disgusting thing that you have ever seen in your life. And you, my friend, get irritated and put a text on the group chat saying, "This is bad. Can you clean it now?" And the person replies, "I will clean it later. 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 When is later?"
And what? And on a Saturday when you want to be happy too.
Or any day. Don't clean it later.
Just
Please
clean it. Yeah, when you're expected to. Yeah. I mean, this is from personal experience. Or like when you see the dishes not done, or they've been lying for the last 15 days.
Right? And one thing is कि आप उसको स्लैब के साइड में रख दो. लोग सिंक के अंदर रख देते हैं और छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. भाई अपने कमरे में लीजिए बर्तन, वहाँ मांजियो अपने बर्तन. यहाँ पे क्यों रख दिए पब्लिक में किसी के लिए?
Literally.
मैं क्या करूँ? मंजीरा बजाऊँ इसका लाइक? Do something.
Oh my god. Fair.
Yeah.
Very fair. Valid. I will validate all that.
Yeah.
You're allowed to be mad about that. Very
Yeah,
valid.
you tell me.
Okay. When someone talks to me, when let me finish.
I get rage baited when people come near me. Don't enter my energy, my aura. Stay away.
No, actually, this is also antisocial. It's kind of concerning. But when someone talks to me when my headphones are on, that's really annoying for me.
Don't you see it?
Andhe ho, like. It just pisses me off.
Yeah.
Stop. And then, like, I put it back on and then they'll keep talking to me. I'm just like, bro, I'm reaching flow state and you are preventing me from reaching flow state. It's not fun. I hate it. That's really annoying for me. Okay, now tell. Next.
Okay, my next one is Indian aunties. Don't get rage baited quickly. Wait for me to complete my sentence because
Why do I feel like I know what's coming?
I think you might know.
Tell.
Because so many things related to Indian aunties. Like everything is. I feel rage. Okay. When they meet you after a bit, okay, and they go on like, बेटा कितनी पतली हो गई हो, बेटा कितनी मोटी हो गई हो, मोटी हो गई हो.
Why do you need to discuss this, babe? Why do you have to pass a comment, bro?
Don't pass a comment.
Shut up.
Relax. Chill. Stuff like आजकल तो दिखती ही नहीं हो. This happened with me one time. I was walking with my friend because when I go back home, right? So of course, like आप इतने time बाद जा रहे हो. People have questions and they ask, like that's Indian culture, right? So I'm going without disturbing anyone. And I say, hi auntie, namaste. And then I'm walking and they're like, oh, beta, hi. Come, let me roast you for a bit. Like someone has said to me, अरे कितनी पतली हो गई हो. तो मैंने बोला नहीं आंटी मैं हमेशा से ऐसी थी, राइट, मेरे को कोई डिफरेंस नहीं लग रहा ज़्यादा. एंड शी वेंट ऑन लाइक सेइंग नहीं पहले तो हेल्दी हुआ करती थी.
So roast us every way. Whatever we are doing, you have a problem. तुम्हें तो दिक्कत है.
क्यों ना गुस्सानी है भाई. Are you Star Plus serials not enough? Why do you have to be a real life Kamalika? Like
The next one. Okay. Anyone in the UK who has a car, it just pisses me off. Or like,
That's so
they
random.
live at home and they don't have to pay rent. That pisses me off. I'm so jealous of you.
how dare you have a life and parents here and a car here?
How dare you?
Go to some random country and
Yeah.
start from scratch.
I'm just so jealous of them.
This comment I've heard so much about moving abroad, living abroad, studying abroad. बाहर तो आसानी से हो जाता है admission. Excuse me? In life, that I don't know if it happens in India, but what happens here is एक लंबी सी ट्रेन होगी, ठीक है, and they'll say the train is dividing at whatever parkway. If you are in this coach, then this train is going to Brighton. Or if you are in this coach, then this train is not going to Brighton. This train is going to divide. So you need to change your coach.
And they'll tell you this like, they'll say it beach mein somewhere and you're just scrambling. You don't know which coach you are in. You don't know which way it's going. Figure it out in 15 seconds before we reach the next platform.
Right. And I try to be nonchalant about it. I have no care in the world. I know what's happening. And I don't want to ask anyone because if I ask, then I'm stupid and I'm not stupid. So I would just rather go to Brighton instead of my right stop. You have to get out of the train and then change it. And they don't know. I don't ever see seat numbers and coach numbers somehow. Like I'm just always looking. I can never find it. मैंने कहा अंदर छुपा के सीट नंबर रखा है अंदर.
It's like they don't.
ये सीट है 25.
Bhai,
Tell us.
just make it easier. Fully, I hate it. So I have one last one.
Yay.
Okay, this one is having my very Indian name obliterated by anyone.
I don't feel bad about it anymore. I've made my peace with it.
I have like it's annoying to me that I've accepted it.
Yeah.
It pisses me off how okay I am and how
Yes.
people pleasing I am. But they'll say things like Kaustubh ke liye they'll be like Kustab.
Kaustubh, to be fair, it is a difficult name.
But Kustab, and then for Sheetal they'll be like Shital. Is it Shital, bro?
Mine is
Tell how do they call you?
They were like Daya.
It's not even a hard one. I don't like it. But I have just become like I've heard Nandini become Nindi. literally Nindi. Nindi.
That's so difficult.
Nindani or something, bro. Like, and I get it. My name's hard. That's why I use like other examples. Like Purvi will be Purvi. Just like, bro. Stop.
That sounds wrong.
It's just exactly. I have a gripe with names being pronounced very badly, you know. So yeah, that was my last one. And
It's just nothing is pissing me off anymore.
yeah, this felt cathartic. Thank you for listening to the things that really piss us off.
Yes.
And if you have any things that piss you off, please comment it and we will max relate.
Where is the rage coming from?
Yeah.
What is the source of this rage?
Okay.
Alrighty. Bye bye.